Thank you for your interest in our products, and welcome to our overview of the Napoleon F40 and F50 series remote control systems. There are two different Napoleon remote systems, the F40, which provides on-off control, and the F50, which provides on-off control and also provides thermostatic temperature control. To begin, we must ensure that both the transmitter and receiver have power. The transmitter is the handheld component, while the receiver is the component usually located behind the lower louvers of a fireplace or mounted to the wall. The F40 and F50 receivers require 4 AA batteries, while the transmitters require 2 AAA batteries. The low battery light will flash on the receiver, and the low battery icon will appear on the LCD screen of the transmitter when the batteries require changing. To remove the batteries in the receiver, push on the battery compartment face and it will pop out. To access the battery compartment of the transmitter, slide the lower back of the transmitter off by pushing downwards on it with your thumbs. Replace the batteries, ensuring the correct positive and negative positions. Once the batteries are replaced, make sure the receiver is set to the remote position. Point the transmitter at the receiver and press the power button. This allows the receiver to capture the ID code of the handheld, allowing the two units to communicate properly. The receiver will beep twice to confirm this. Batteries in the transmitter and receiver should be changed every 6 months. With this cover removed, you can also access the temperature switch and the child-proof switch. The temperature switch changes the temperature displayed on the handheld from Fahrenheit to Celsius. To change the temperature displayed, simply slide the switch to the desired mode and the display will immediately change to indicate Fahrenheit or Celsius. By turning on the child-proof switch, all buttons are disabled. To restore function, reset the child-proof switch to the off position. The Napoleon F40 and F50 remote controls allow the fireplace to be turned on by pressing the on button. The F50 model has an additional thermostat button. This controls the fireplace thermostatically, based on a set temperature. Both models will display the room temperature, but only the F50 remote will allow the set temperature to be changed. To do this, press the thermostat button, then adjust the set temperature in accordance with your comfort level, using the up and down arrow keys on the handheld. Finally, to turn the fireplace off, simply press the O or off button on the F40 handheld and the power button on the F50 handheld. This concludes our overview of the Napoleon F40 and F50 remote control systems. Thank you for watching.